So let's start. And off I go. Okay, this is my little village named Bethel. My hometown, there's a new school still under construction. Okay, the roads are really bad around here. See, it's really bad, so I have to be always careful. You see, a bumpy road, lots of rubble. As you know, see the broken bricks, rubbles, but they're still fixing it, as you can see. My distance covered is 7,478 only. It's been 3 years since I've owned this bike. It's pretty less, but now since I'm gonna start vlogging, I'm gonna explore now. I'm gonna test this bike. I bought in 2017 the Suzuki Gixxer 155 carburetor. I thought of upgrading it, but what's the point, right? I need to explore this one. I need to test this baby. Okay. Lots of bumpy roads around here. And as you can see it, the roads are very small. Oh, damn it. The petrol shop is closed today. It's pretty hard to overtake around here. The roads are very, very small. Right now it's very dusty. It can get dirty, you can get dirt all over you during the winter. And this Ruma village. I haven't reached the Ruma bazaar. I'm almost about to reach. Very dusty. just reached Rumah Bazaar. See it? Okay, let's go this side. This way. So I can avoid the bigger truck. This is Rumah Bazaar. There's a new way. There's a new way until the big one is until the big one construction is done. This is the first time I'm coming this way. I guess. Oh yeah. The engine will have changed. It was 5,200 I think km when I changed it. I used the Motul synthetic, 100% synthetic. You can see why it's so smooth and covering so many distance now. I heard I can ride it until 5,000 or something like that, but let's see how much can I ride before I change a new one. this area we always have to watch out for the goat, chicken crossing the road, near the road. Have to be cautious and eyes open all the time. Cannot be reckless around here. Oh shit, there was again a rubble, a dusty one. Those are very slippery when you do a cornering around here. You gotta be very, very, very careful when the road are not clean for the cornering. It's risky. The road this side are pretty good compared to the others. From Rumah to Bandarban, Bandarban to Rumah, the road are pretty bad right now. Still under construction. Hope it's better. Bike is still pretty fresh. I like that. And I've reached Munlai Para. This is called Munlai Para. This is it, Munlai Para. Welcome to Munlai. There are not much of a family living here compared to ours, Bethel. But the road and the scenery is pretty good around here. And the road is very good. Oh man, look at the fog. Like, look at the fog. But right now it's 12:30 in the afternoon, so there's not much of a fog. But during the winter, it's pretty beautiful. As you can see. Okay, let's take a little look around. It's me. It's pretty downhill this side. It's very sunny and it's beautiful, but unfortunately it's pretty foggy, so I don't think it would show much in the GoPro, but it's the view is good. Let's check out the time now. It's 12:33 p.m. Wow, that's it for today. It's a short ride after a long time, so I just wanna take out my bike today for a short ride. Okay, I think I'm gonna be heading back. There's not much to do now around here.